San Juan. Puerto Rico is a colorful blend of history, culture, beaches, and unforgettable Caribbean energy. And today we're counting down the 8 best things you absolutely can't miss. From sun-soaked coastlines and centuries-old fortresses to rainforest adventures and vibrant nightlife, this city delivers an experience unlike anywhere else. We'll start on the golden shores of Condado Beach, where turquoise waves meet a lively urban vibe. Then step back in time inside the massive stone walls of the San Juan National Historic Site. A walk through Old San Juan reveals cobblestone streets, bright colonial buildings, and some of the most iconic landmarks in Puerto Rico. From there, we'll explore the lush trails of El Yunque National Forest, relax at the calm waters of Balneario El Escambron, and dive into the music-filled nights of La Placita de Santurce. Art lovers will find inspiration at the Museo de Arte de Puerto Rico. And to finish off the list, a hands-on mixology experience at Casa Bacardí brings flavor and history together in the perfect way. Let's begin the countdown of San Juan's top attractions. Number 8. Condado Beach. Condado Beach in San Juan is a vibrant city shoreline where bright turquoise water meets an energetic, modern atmosphere. Famous for its smooth sand, calm surf, and stunning views of the skyline, it's a top choice for both locals and travelers looking to soak up the sun and enjoy the blend of beach and city life. Stretching through the lively Condado district, the beach is surrounded by upscale hotels, restaurants, and boutiques, offering a seamless mix of comfort and excitement. Surfers and paddleboarders ride the waves, while families and beach lovers relax in the gentler waters near the shore. The boardwalk is perfect for a scenic walk or jog, delivering beautiful ocean views in every direction. Just steps away, cafes and bars serve refreshing tropical drinks and fresh seafood, giving visitors the chance to enjoy local flavors along with their beach day. Condado Beach embodies San Juan's coastal spirit, combining natural beauty, fun activities, and a vibrant urban vibe in one memorable destination. Number 7. San Juan National Historic Site. The San Juan National Historic Site in Puerto Rico is a remarkable window into the island's rich history and colonial past. This UNESCO World Heritage Site preserves centuries-old forts, walls, and bastions that once protected the city from invaders and pirates. Forts like Castillo San Felipe del Moro and Castillo San Cristobal stand as impressive reminders of Spanish military engineering, with massive stone walls, moats, and sweeping views of the Atlantic Ocean. Walking along the fortifications, it's easy to imagine the history that unfolded here. Soldiers on patrol, cannon drills, and strategic battles shaping the fate of San Juan. The architecture combines strength with intricate detail, showcasing both functionality and artistry. Visitors can explore tunnels, lookout points, and historic exhibits, while enjoying panoramic views of the city's colorful streets and the sparkling Caribbean Sea. Every corner of the San Juan National Historic Site tells a story of resilience, culture, and history, making it a must-see destination for those who want to connect deeply with Puerto Rico's past. Number 6. Old San Juan Walking Tour. Old San Juan is a vibrant historic district that captures the heart of Puerto Rico's culture and colonial charm. Walking through its cobblestone streets feels like stepping back in time, with brightly colored Spanish colonial buildings, wrought iron balconies, and quaint plazas around every corner. The area is alive with music, street art, and local vendors offering handmade crafts, coffee, and traditional Puerto Rican treats. Iconic landmarks like Catedral de San Juan Bautista, one of the oldest churches in the Americas, and the historic city walls offer a glimpse into centuries of history. Small cafes, boutique shops, and art galleries add a modern twist to the colonial atmosphere, making it a lively hub for locals and visitors alike. Strolling along the waterfront, the view of the Atlantic Ocean provides a stunning backdrop to the city's pastel-colored rooftops. Old San Juan combines history, culture, and vibrant street life, creating an experience that is both timeless and uniquely Puerto Rican. Number 5. El Yunque National Forest. El Yunque National Forest in Puerto Rico is a lush, tropical rainforest that showcases the island's incredible biodiversity and natural beauty. As the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System, it is home to cascading waterfalls, winding trails, and towering trees covered in moss and vines. The forest's misty mountains create an atmosphere that feels both peaceful and mystical, inviting exploration at every turn. Hiking through El Yunque reveals hidden waterfalls, natural pools, and panoramic views of the surrounding rainforest and distant coastline. The trails vary from easy walks to more challenging hikes, each offering encounters with exotic birds, coqui frogs, and vibrant plant life. Observation towers provide sweeping vistas, perfect for photography and taking in the forest's full expanse. Whether trekking through shaded trails, listening to the rainforest symphony, or cooling off in crystal-clear waterfalls, El Yunque National Forest offers an unforgettable experience. It's a place where nature thrives in its purest form, leaving visitors with a deep appreciation for Puerto Rico's wild heart. Number 4. Balneario El Escambrón. Balneario El Escambron in San Juan, Puerto Rico, is a picturesque public beach that combines natural beauty with recreational charm. Known for its calm, turquoise waters and scenic coastline, it's an ideal spot for swimming, snorkeling, or simply relaxing under the sun. The beach is framed by rocky outcrops and coral reefs, creating natural pools that make the water safe and enjoyable for visitors of all ages. A stroll along the shoreline reveals views of the historic city walls of Old San Juan, adding a unique backdrop to a day at the beach. Facilities like picnic areas, walking paths, and lifeguards make it family-friendly, while shaded areas and nearby food vendors provide comfort and convenience. Snorkelers can explore colorful fish and marine life just beyond the sandy shore, making every visit both fun and adventurous. Balneario El Escambron perfectly blends relaxation, scenic beauty, and safe coastal recreation, making it a must-visit destination in San Juan. Number 3. La Placita de Santurce. La Placita de Santurce transforms from a traditional market by day into one of San Juan's liveliest nightlife spots after sunset. During the daytime, the plaza feels relaxed and colorful, with local vendors offering fresh produce, aromatic spices, and slices of daily life in the community. The historic building, wrapped in vibrant murals, holds decades of stories and traditions. As the evening arrives, the entire area shifts into a rhythm of music, laughter, and movement. Bars and restaurants open their doors, filling the streets with salsa beats, reggaeton grooves, and live performances that draw both locals and travelers. Outdoor tables overflow with people enjoying cocktails, Puerto Rican dishes, and the energetic atmosphere. The surrounding streets become a social gathering point where everyone feels part of the celebration. It's a place known for spontaneous dancing, friendly conversations, and unforgettable nights. La Placita de Santurce captures the true essence of Puerto Rican nightlife: warm, lively, and filled with cultural soul. Number 2. Museo de Arte de Puerto Rico. The Museo de Arte de Puerto Rico stands as one of the island's most inspiring cultural treasures. Walking through its grand halls feels like stepping into a living timeline of Puerto Rican creativity. Each gallery highlights powerful stories told through color, texture, and emotion. From classical paintings to modern installations, every piece reveals a unique connection to the island's heritage. Outside, the sculpture garden offers a peaceful contrast to the vibrant indoor exhibits. Lush pathways, reflective ponds, and striking outdoor pieces create a calming space where art blends seamlessly with nature. It's the perfect spot to slow down and take in the details. Inside the museum, visitors can explore rotating exhibitions that showcase both established and emerging Puerto Rican artists. Workshops, family programs, and interactive displays add an engaging layer for all ages. Whether you're an art enthusiast or simply curious, the Museo de Arte de Puerto Rico delivers an unforgettable look into the island's artistic soul. Number 1. Mixology class at Casa Bacardí. Casa Bacardi offers an inside look at the legacy behind one of the world's most iconic rums. The journey begins with a glimpse into the brand's history, where family traditions, craftsmanship, and innovation come together to create a globally recognized spirit. The sleek visitor center blends modern design with Caribbean warmth, setting the tone for an immersive experience. Guides lead guests through the rum-making process, from fermentation to aging, showing how each step shapes the distinct flavors Bacardi is known for. The aging room, filled with wooden barrels, highlights the patience and precision behind every bottle. One of the highlights is the chance to craft a personalized cocktail under the guidance of expert mixologists. The open-air pavilion and stunning views of Old San Juan add a relaxed and scenic backdrop to the experience. Tasting sessions provide a rich exploration of different rum varieties, making every sip part of the story. Casa Bacardi blends culture, flavor, and heritage into a memorable Puerto Rican adventure.